Our fighters fighting inside the ring. First, our fighter from the blue. He's wearing black trunks with Philippine flag and having an official weight of 121 pounds. He's representing the Lapos Boxing Stable of Bukidnon, ladies and gentlemen, Chucky Buta! And his opponent across the ring from the red corner. He's wearing multicolored trunks with the yellow twins, an official weight of 119 pounds. He's representing the 415 boxing team of Boracay Aklan. Ladies and gentlemen, Romar Napase!
Taga-amin, taga-aklan.
Once again, your referee and your Basilis.
At sino nga vlogger yun? Ano yun? Kalimutan ko. SB. Silver Boys. Si Silver Boys na, no? Yan yung katrupa ni Boss Casimiro, you know? Kadikit na kaibigan ni Boss Casimiro yun. Noon.
Ngayon, kadikit na kaway. Sila na naman yun.
Tampuhan lang naman yun. Round 1, simula na.
Timing.
Relax lang. Magigil, relax lang.
Timing.
Ramdam mo.
Yan, timing. Timing.
Magigil, relax lang. Ramdam ng sakit yan.
Yan, timing.
Timing lang ha, nakakaramdam ng sakit yan.
Yan. Sapa.
Ulitin mo, tapos. Abangan mo yun ha.
Yan!
Uy! Ano yun?
Umiikot kasi mga idol, kaya hindi niya napigilan yung pagbitaw ng umiikot kasi kaya sa pool yung batok. Hindi naman sinasadya yun. Hindi naman sinasadya. Okay, simulan na ulit.
Relax lang ha. Huwag mo na palayuin. Huwag mo palayuin. Sige, dito. Huwag mo nga. Yun!
Ayaw!
Ulit. Baba naman, baba. Baba naman.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Relax lang ha. Focus lang.
ang ganda ng laban to mga idol. Match na match.
Relax lang.
Ten seconds. Okay, tapos
And
yung
his